Here we are, May 1st of 2025, and when the camera's not turned on, the maintenance doesn't stop. So today what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do some basic candle work, and I'm going to take off the wire that's on this tree that I styled a while back. You guys can find that in our past videos. So I styled this tree about 1.5 years ago, and then about 9 months later, sometime in July or early June, late June, I decandled. And as you can see, most of the candles are pretty much the same size. I have one over here that's awfully strong, so we're going to take care of that today. And then I'm going to take off all the wire. Wire's actually starting to cut in at the top here. All right, enjoy.